Desjardins Car Insurance Review, Usage Experience. Links to Desjardins Car Insurance are in the description below. In this review, I'll go over its key features, who it's best for, and whether it's worth considering. Desjardins is one of Canada's largest financial groups and a major player in auto insurance, offering competitive rates, flexible coverage, and strong customer service. They provide standard policies, including mandatory liability, collision, and comprehensive coverage, along with various optional add-ons for enhanced protection. One of the standout features is the Adjusto telematics program, which rewards safe driving habits with potential premium discounts. By using the Adjusto app, drivers can track their speed, braking, acceleration, and phone usage while driving, allowing them to earn savings based on their performance. This makes Desjardins a great choice for responsible drivers looking to lower their insurance costs. Desjardins also offers comprehensive coverage options, including accident forgiveness, new vehicle replacement, rental vehicle coverage, and roadside assistance. Policyholders can choose waived deductibles in specific cases, such as when hitting an animal or experiencing a total loss. Additionally, Desjardins provides discounts for bundling home and auto insurance, making it a cost-effective option for customers with multiple policies. The claims process is efficient, with 24/7 claim support, an online claim system, and access to a network of trusted repair shops. Many customers report a smooth claims experience, although, like most insurers, processing times can vary depending on the complexity of the claim. One potential downside is that rates may not always be the lowest compared to some direct-to-consumer insurers, and pricing can be higher for younger or high-risk drivers. Overall, Desjardins Car Insurance is a solid option for drivers who prioritize flexibility, telematics-based discounts, and a well-established insurer with strong financial backing. It's especially beneficial for safe drivers looking to lower premiums through Adjusto, those who want customizable coverage options, and customers who can take advantage of bundling discounts. If you want more details or a quote, check the links in the description.